My name is Ken Geller, and I am the Vice President of the Muskoka Lawn Bowling Club, which was established in 2017. It's located on the grounds of the Muskoka Highlands Golf Links on South Monk Drive in the town of Bracebridge. So I started lawn bowling the year before the club opened. Sally Mills, our president, introduced my wife Andrea and I to lawn bowling, assumed that it was for people much older than us, and as it turns out, it's a fabulously competitive sport. It's also a very social sport if you're not a competitive person. Lawn bowling is a gentle social sport that is relatively inexpensive. It is easy to learn but challenging to master. It is played with bowls which, due to their design, curl when they are rolled toward the target jack. It is played on a flat 120-foot square green. Although played by all ages, lawn bowling has special importance for seniors and those with mobility and strength issues who wish to stay active and involved in the community. Establishing lawn bowling in Muskoka was first broached back in 2009, but raising enough money was a major challenge. Few were willing to sponsor a sport that they had never played or even seen. Our first important and unique partnership was formed with the Muskoka Highlands Golf Course in Bracebridge. They would donate the land, share their clubhouse, and we would pay them to maintain this new 19th green. Next, we partnered with the town of Bracebridge Recreation Department. Their expertise and support helped us to secure a construction grant for $150,000 from the Ontario Trillium Foundation in 2016. Later, that partnership also helped us obtain 2 federal grants for $25,000 each, which provided funds for equipment, lessons, new sidewalks, and an access ramp. We expanded our partnership with the town of Bracebridge Recreation Department and started offering indoor bowling at the Bracebridge Arena in November of 2018. What triggered the success, the partnership with Muskoka Highlands Golf Club, was critical. They stepped forward. They offered us land, the use of their clubhouse, the use of their greenskeeping facilities at their cost. The benefit to us was obvious and huge. The benefit to them, of course, is they got our members coming to their clubhouse and enjoying their services, so it was a win-win.